best affordable headphones in 2024. The year 2024 is close to wrap up its first quarter, and tech consumers are putting their zest and zeal to get their hands on the best headphones that stand in line with their needs and preferences. Whether you're eyeing for dynamic Bluetooth headphones with a range of advanced features like active noise cancellation, or someone with profound understanding of headphones who only wants the best, the headphones market has something to look after your needs. As we mentioned, there exist an abundance of options out there. It can be overwhelming to sort out the mess and extract the finest one that won't cost you a fortune. But having a good pair of headphones has become an integral part of this modern day life. And since the market offers you an abundance of designs, specifications, and models to choose from, Gad Insider has jotted down a list of the best headphones that can come across nowadays. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case, $189 at Amazon. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, best noise cancelling earphones for $249 at Amazon. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, best noise cancelling headphones for $379 at Amazon. Sony WF-1000XM5, best earphones for audiophiles for $278 at Amazon. Sony WH-1000XM5, best headphones for audiophiles at $328 at Amazon. Anker Soundcore Liberty 4NC, best noise cancellation under $100 for $74.50 at Amazon. Urbanista Los Angeles best for battery life for $139 at Amazon. JBL Reflect Aero, best for exercise at $149.95 at Amazon. Jabra Elite 10, best noise cancellation for exercise for $199 at Amazon. Shure Aonic 50 Gen 2, best for quality wired or wireless playback for $349 at Amazon. The headphones we've adorned chosen for the list offers a blend of sound quality, comfort, and convenience. While a considerable chunk of headphones consumer market runs after wired headphones, our suggested ones are the wireless models that rank at the pinnacle when assessed for convenience and comfort, noise cancelling, and negating out ambient noises in offices.